Connecting Teespring with Instagram is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the official website teespring.com. So this is the interface of this webpage. Click on login. Next, choose to continue with Google. Here, enter the data in fields that include your name or your brand, email, and a password. So after verifying you're not a robot, click on sign up. After this, provide your desired store URL. Make sure you think wisely as it is permanent and cannot be undone. After doing so, click on continue. So you are then directed to the dashboard. Click on stores and you can see domains and social profiles section. Next, click on add account profile. Now choose Instagram. From the options available here, enter the profile URL. Then select add. So this way your Instagram profile has been added to Teespring and you are all done.